Welcome to a guided meditation for increasing patience on Declutter the Mind. In this session, we'll focus on building patience by learning to pause and observe the present moment without judgment. Patience is about creating space between stimulus and reaction, and mindfulness allows us to practice that skill. So let's work on cultivating a calmer, more patient mind. To start, find a comfortable seated position, sitting upright but relaxed, with your hands resting in your lap. Take a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fully expand here, holding it for just a moment, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension in your body. And now gently close your eyes. Allow your breath to settle into its natural rhythm. Just watching the breath here, watching the body breathe on its own. Each sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. Allow your breath to be your anchor to the present moment. And as you sit with your breath here, notice any urge to hurry or any sense of restlessness that may arise here. And then without judging these feelings, we simply observe them. This is the essence of patience. It's being able to notice our impulses without needing to act on them. And so allow yourself to sit with whatever comes up, knowing that you don't need to react. And whenever your mind starts to wander, and it will, we just gently bring your attention back to the breath. Each time you return to the breath, you're practicing patience. The act of noticing when your mind has drifted and then guiding it back without frustration is the key to developing a patient mindset. And now let's bring our attention to any physical sensations that are present in the body. So you might notice areas of contact, areas of tension or restlessness. And as you observe these sensations, rather than immediately shifting or adjusting, we just notice how the body feels. Practice sitting with these sensations and breathing into them and allowing them to be there without immediately needing to react or change anything for the next few moments. And as we continue here, bring to mind a situation in your life where you often feel impatient. Maybe it's waiting in line, maybe it's sitting in traffic, maybe it's dealing with a challenging person. And so bring this situation to mind and notice how your body and mind react. Is there tension, frustration, a desire to rush through it? And so instead of reacting to this situation, bring your attention back to your breath. And so practice patience by sitting with these feelings of impatience. We're acknowledging them without letting them control us. Breathe through them, creating space for calm and understanding. And as we sit with these feelings, remind yourself that patience is a skill that takes practice. Every time you pause, breathe, and observe without reacting, you are strengthening this ability. And with time, this space between stimulus and reaction will grow, allowing you to respond thoughtfully rather than impulsively. And so take a few more moments here, resting in awareness, watching the breath, noticing any sensations, and continuing to practice patience with whatever arises. And let's just gently open our eyes here, bringing our attention back to the room around us. Remember that patience is a skill that can be developed over time with mindfulness. And by practicing this awareness in everyday situations, you'll find more calm and balance in your reactions. Thanks for sitting, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for taking the time to practice. If you've enjoyed this practice, please be sure to like and subscribe. You can also join and become a member and receive access to courses and more. Head on over to declutterthemind.com for more and download our free iOS and Android app.